Yes, anybody?
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, the queen will come to h6.
That is the right way of your thinking is good. I also thought that only. But there is the answer from white. So for the benefit of all, I will start explaining all of you. Now here, what Durga also said, and I thought, is that this is correct. Because the four keys here, this is checkmate. And here there is one attack, one support. So there will be a second attack also. So check, check and second attack. So if want to save this, just a simple gap. Now king will be saved. Then you lose this, it takes this, lose this, two pieces. Now clearly two pieces means black will win. This is also what I thought. Okay, but may not be good. This is because it has the answer. It has the answer. Because if I come over here, na, this will come. Now this is under attack. Cannot kill this. Will go over here. Now if it goes over here, this particular square is under protection. Now this will kill simply. This will kill. Or somebody. Anyway. Somebody will kill. But then this will come over here. Or even here. Attacking this and supporting this. Or here it is better, of course, attacking this. So sorry, I mean supporting this. So there is nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. So this is not good. Somebody said this. Again, this is not good. As I said, no, we said this, na, and we found this is the reply.
Sir, as per system, which is correct?
Yeah, we will see that. We will see that. But we have to see this. Na? If we take this as very commonly seen attack, if this takes, then this is a good reply. Because now attacking on this and attack on this. How to save? Only this way. Because if you save this way, no, not this way also. If you save this way, this over here, this over here, nothing is happening again. So let us see what they say. They may be wrong. No? We will see. Very confusing it is. Let's see next. Oh, same answer. Same answer. Durga has given, and I was thinking, but why this reply? This is a bad reply. Why not this reply? This is a better reply. You cannot kill this way. You cannot kill. You cannot kill. So they are wrong. the problem is wrong. Okay, because this with this reply you are getting this. Sorry, you are getting this. But see, the reply is there, na? We have seen that. But at least thinking H6 is a good thing. Okay, good Durga. Keep it up.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, what would happen if the queen was in the queen moves in h4?
Let us see. Let us see. Definitely we will see. Queen in H4. Here, it is already attacking here. So no increase of attack. Already attacking here. यहाँ से भी attack था ही ना, और यहाँ से भी attack था इसके ऊपर. So no
Sir, if
improvement in
queen
this.
kills
And now
upper
attack
pawn,
on
then
this.
king will kill the
Yeah,
queen.
it is a good support. It is a good support. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Yes, Sarnobat, what you are saying? Ranveer?
Sir, if we capture the pawn which is forward queen, king will kill queen.
Yeah, exactly. King is supporting all the pawns. Right. This is something, a bad problem. They are given wrong. Okay. It happens. It happens. Next. White to move. So we started from Ranveer only. So next is Aditya will start. One minute. You calculate. I am coming back. I can listen. Huh? I can listen.
Sir, can I tell?
Why he is not telling Aditya?
हमारी book.
Not telling. Then question goes to Prithvi. I haven't seen the problem yet. Okay. White. Hey, easy problem, huh? Extremely easy problem. Extremely easy.
Sir, मी घेऊ का
Sir,
मला?
can I answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Tell.
If Prithvi is not there, then Durga. I am going step by step.
Sir,
Yes, Prithvi.
Sir, the queen will move to A2.
Perfect. He got it. Perfect. Attacking king and attacking this. Absolutely good. And then next is this. Good. That was easy. White to move a piece to create the fork. Durga. Aditya, you should have done, huh? दुर्गाला तृप्ती माहिती का गं? नाही.
Sir, the queen will move to H2.
Absolutely beautiful. You have really started understanding. This is the good. Everybody see. This over here, where the fork is, this and this, checkmate. Now next is checkmate.
Sir,
Yes, yes, yeah.
sir, what if the queen moved to E5?
Queen move to E5, directly giving checkmate attack, right? Directly, it is attacking this pawn, and attacking checkmate. But this checkmate and this checkmate both can be saved by simply moving this up. You understand? Only if this moves, no, nothing will happen. The queen has to kill this pawn. This queen will kill the queen. This will kill the queen. That's all. Or this will kill back again. Nothing will happen. Here it is a decisive win. Decisive. There is no escape. Now, if want to save this also, no, it is not possible. Just see that. No other move can save. The only move which can save here, no, this rook to h1. Rook to h1 would have saved the mate. But that is again for the time being, because queen will take the rook. Again, mate threat is there. So he has to move this up one step only, and not two step, on up. Then again check, this will come up. Then again check, rook king will go over here. So this is what going to happen. That's all. Then queen takes queen. Simple. King takes queen. Knight will take pawn attacking this. Or even queen will take knight also, because there will be a straight this attack also available maybe. So this is the beautiful move. Are you getting? I am not fast, no? Everybody understanding, no? White to move a piece to create a fork.
Yes.
Samya. It is Samya. Come on.
Sir, the queen can come to H3.
Queen can come to h3, attacking whom? Attack should be on certain piece or certain square. And that piece or square should be unprotected when the queen is attacking, or at least one of the piece should be unprotected. You should get something out of it. So you imagine what the next person is going to reply to your play, your pin or your fork, and then what you are going to play again. So at least you think only two moves better. You try to think that way. You
Sir,
don't-
can I try?
no, let Samia answer. She is trying
Sir,
hard.
the queen can come to D6.
G6.
D6.
G6 means taking the pawn.
Sir, D6.
D6. D6. Okay. Taking this pawn. Okay. Taking this pawn. But it is attacking this and attacking what? That is good. You are getting the pawn and you are attacking this. That is good. But this can come over here, give the check. So you lose the tempo. And rook gives support to the knight also. So rook and knight both are supported. Both get support basically. And next, I think the black will move this pawn ahead. So only two place.
Sir, can I try?
Nail biting finish.
Sir, can I? Sir, can I tell?
Next is
Sir,
Riddhi.
can I try?
Riddhi.
Hmm. Sir, the queen will move to F4,
F4. Attacking what?
attacking knight and pawn.
Attacking knight and the pawn. But on pawn attack is already there. So you are only attacking knight. So what this will do? This
Sir,
will,
can I answer?
who is that?
Sir,
Next,
can I
Sia.
answer?
Yeah.
Sia. Next Sia.
Sir,
Next
मी आधी सांगितलेलं.
Sia.
Sir, the queen will move to F2.
F2. And that is the right answer. Everybody. This is the right answer. Attacking this and attacking this. Unprotected. Right? Now king has come to protect this. So what you will do? Naturally. Good ones here. Next is Himanshi is there? No. Himanshi is there? No. Ananya is not there. Ira. माझ्या बॅगेत
5 वाजले.
5 वाजले का? हो. We will stop here. What is the problem number? 122. Today we were little slow because problems were difficult.
122.
Yeah. So finished 121. Next is 122. Everybody be prepared. और मैंने जो problems भेजे थे वो solve किए सब लोगों ने. Samia, I can see from your face that you haven't done. Nobody has done those problems.
सर मला कॅसलिंग आणि पिन मला नीट येत नाही.
Castling आणि pin येत नाही. Okay. What you do now? Everybody, wait. Listen very carefully. All of you, जो भी आपको नहीं समझा है ठीक से, you write down in your notebook कि मुझे ये ठीक से नहीं समझा है, and you send a photo of that all your questionnaires to me. So one session I will solve all your problems. किसको जो समझा नहीं है वो मैं समझा के दे दूंगा. No issues. I don't want to go like that ahead because उसमें क्या होगा, आगे का समझेगा और पीछे का नहीं. यानी you are in 5th standard, you will be able to pass 5th standard, but 4th standard का एग्जाम दिया तो फेल. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए ना. Okay, Ranveer?
Sir,
Yes, yeah.
Sir, in those problems you had not stated if we had to give a pin or a fork.
It is on. I think all are pin problems. All are pin problems. No fork problem. I will do it in a proper fashion because now we have got an entire week ahead till next Monday. So I will do it in better way. I will give all those problems and
सर
whatever you have,
मंडेला जिओ मीट वर असणार आहे का?
जर का आपल्याकडच्या 2-3 जणांचं जिओ मीट जर का नाही झालं तर आपण परत झूम वरच घेऊ, काही काळजी नका करू तुम्ही. ओके, till I say it will be Zoom only. If you get any specific message, then only it will be on Zoom. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Yeah. And
Sir,
one
I
more
have
thing.
sent the 10 problems.
Yeah, I will send about it. Samia, if you haven't understood anything, please let me know. Those who are absent and those who will be viewing this, watching this video afterwards, for them also the same thing. If you haven't understood any part of whatever I have taught, please tell me so. I will repeat everything. No issues about it. One session I will take for problem solving, whatever you have got. Your concept should be very clear. Okay? Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Well,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.